Hello guys, welcome again, and now time to working with spot healing brush to remove the spots from the face. So let's start. So first you can use the elliptical mark and make second option of combination, little bit make zoom and create circle selection, elliptical selection like this, and press delete key on keyboard to fill content or make opacity to 100. Click OK. Take a look, the spots removed from the face. So if you need to continue, create another elliptical selection, continue like this and delete once again, enter and press Ctrl plus D to deselect. So if you need to use tools, revert this image again and go to select the spot healing brush, right click, change the size. Just in one click you can remove the face as spots. So let's try the surface filter. Go to blur surface filter to make soft. Okay guys, there we have another image to restore or another image to make new from old. So select spot healing brush, the face tool for using image restoration. Use the spot healing brush, change the size and click on small spots. Click here carefully. Just in one click you must make restore like this. So guys, don't forget this part of image is your homework. Edit, restore and share with me. So thanks for watching and let's go to another most important part.